welcome back to Pod Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is Friday, April 9th of 2021, and you made it to the end of the week. Congrats. We're going to talk about VeChain today. We're going to look at it on the daily, the weekly, maybe even the monthly, look at the big picture. That's what we do here on this channel. Big picture time frames, less so 5 minutes, more so 5 days, 5 months, 5 years, that kind of deal. So if you liked the video today, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to us. Follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon. Let's jump right in. VeChain on a great move. As you can see, it's leading the way of all these coins today, up 7.5% on the day already. Let's see where it's been and where it could be going. So look at these formations that it's done before, right? We make a big run up. You get like some resistance, a lot of attempts to get through, keeps pushed down. Comes back up, breaks through with a nice candle, come back and retest that previous resistance, now support, and then blast off again. Same thing. Go up, resistance, resistance, resistance. We finally break through with the big candle, make a run up, come back, test our previous resistance, now support, and then proceed up again. So that is the daily. Let's go ahead and look at a bigger time scale. Let's go to a 3-day, see if we see anything. Let's remove those. So it's making some major moves here. This is our 21 EMA average. Go to the weekly, and this is our 21 week. We're well above it. We're higher on VeChain than most coins. So we're getting a little overextended for the short term. VeChain could go much higher long term, but short term, let's look at the moves we've already done and see what we got. Just since Christmas time and our capitulation, we're up almost 1,000%. 1,000% is an 11x. A lot of people think 1,000% is a 10x. You forgot that 100% is a 2x. 200% is a 3x. See that? So we're up almost 11x just since December. There's not a whole lot of coins that have done that are as high a market cap as VeChain is. So it's already put in a hell of a move. If we zoom out even more, this is the monthly. So you could say like our average was down in this area, right? For a year, over a year, 2 years. Your average line, if you take all these prices up to here, is probably like a penny. It's now 12.5, approaching 13 cents high. March alone, this is a monthly candles, 120% so far. April, just since April, nine days in, 43%. All these candles, 56%, 35%, 17%, 61%. I'm getting these up here. As you move your cursor, this will change. You see that? So you can do that on any coin. If you'd like, go to different time frames. It automatically calculate how much you've gone up. So a coin that's gone up almost 11x in less than 4 months, yeah, it can keep going up, of course. But for it to continue this up, I just want to show you how much this would take. So if it's already done this, look at how much it's done, right? This is an 11x from here. Just to go another 100%, just another 2x from here, look how high this candle would have to go. This should put it in perspective. To get to a quarter, we have to go up to this high. After doing an 11x, you want it to do another 2x. Possible? Of course. Likely? Maybe not in the short term. Now, when I say short term, I mean talking about the next few days, few weeks. Now, months, years, of course. I think VeChain could go much higher, obviously. But that's not what we focus on this channel. We don't focus on making gains over the next 2 or 3 minutes. We focus on gains for the next 2 or 3 months, 2 or 3 years. Big outlooks. So just trying to level the playing field when all the hype is around YouTube. Recognize that we've done an 11x already, and to do just another 2x from here is way up here. So there might be other coins that could maybe more than 2x, a little bit easier. So I like VeChain. Nothing against VeChain. I'm just purely looking at the moves here. giving you a dose of reality check. So if you don't have any VeChain, you're thinking about buying some, maybe now you're second guessing. Maybe you want to buy VeChain and just hold it for a year. Hey, go ahead. But don't cry if you get temporary corrections like this. Like, look at this move. If a lot of people bought up in this area, we spiked up, and then you lost 40% of your money in 3 days. That could happen again in a few days. It could be a few weeks or a few months. VeChain could go to 50 cents before it retraces, okay? I'm just saying the odds, which you have to play in crypto, are that VeChain has done an incredible move. It's a strong coin. I like VeChain. But recognize that the harder a coin pumps, 11x in 3 months is a great move. You wait for years to get these moves. Look at this. Look at VeChain. Look at VeChain. Look how long it was at a penny. The people that bought all of these areas are very happy right now. Even the people that bought them in here are very happy, right? So stay level-headed. Recognize that VeChain could go up, but a 2x from here will be fantastic. And you saw how much it would have to go up. So thanks for listening this far if you have. Again, my name's Chase, 5Day Crypto. Follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon. Patreon if you want to learn a little bit more than what you see in the videos. We have a private Telegram chat on there, which I post some private charts, private videos in there, daily and weekly basis. I'm active in there. So check us out there. Try us for a month. If you don't like it, you can drop right off. Our card of the day for Friday is the original Dodge Viper. All black. Gray interior. Pretty nice on the outside. Pretty basic on the inside. Kind of like Paris Hilton. Terrible joke. Not really. And our quote of the day. Thanks so much, guys. Happy Friday. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great weekend.